Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the new Zen update in Grow a Garden. This exciting update brings a fresh, tranquil experience to your gameplay. You will discover a special Zen event, a magnificent Zen tree to cultivate, and a unique Zen shop filled with exclusive items. A key feature is the Tranquil Plant mutation, which significantly boosts your crop's value by 20 times. Get ready to explore new pets, seeds, and beautiful cosmetic items to enhance your garden. To begin your Zen journey, participate in the hourly Zen Aura event. This special event activates for 10 minutes at the start of every hour. During this time, your garden's fruits have a chance to receive the valuable Tranquil mutation. You will notice a blue light emanating from the Zen channeler, guiding you to affected plants. Keep an eye out for distinct kanji symbols appearing around your crops, indicating they have become tranquil. Once you have collected tranquil plants, you have two main options. First, you can submit them to the Zen channeler, located in the center of the map, to help grow the majestic Zen tree. This tree progresses through 7 stages, unlocking new items in the Zen shop with each level. Alternatively, you can trade your tranquil plants with the friendly tanuki at the Zen shop to earn Kai, a special currency for exclusive purchases. The Zen shop is your destination for unique rewards. Use your earned Kai to purchase exclusive seeds, Zen eggs containing new pets, and tranquil-themed cosmetic items for your garden. Remember, advancing the Zen tree unlocks even more desirable items in the shop. You can also acquire a Tranquil Pet Shard, which applies the Tranquil mutation to your pets. This special pet ability will help your crops gain the Tranquil mutation more frequently, further boosting their value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.